Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Coding in the Attic. We're completing the 30-day challenge, Introduction to MongoDB course provided by MongoDB. Today we're looking at the lesson 4, part of unit 9 on indexes. So we'll be working on compound indexes. So I've just watched a video and this is the summary of it. The newest idea here is the idea of compound index, which is a sequence of, let's say, different indexes so that your query can run faster. The idea also of having an order in the field. So say you want to run a query, if you order it in the exact way that you've created your compound index, that will help you get a faster result. Okay, we basically have the same command, get indexes, create index, and explain. And also there is something that was quite interesting is the idea of having a projection to cover for the query so that it doesn't use the fetch method, but rather a projection instead. I guess we'll see more about that in the quiz and lab. So what is a compound index? An index that supports queries that combines the field name and the value into a string. No, nothing to do with that. Index that supports queries against unknown arbitrary fields. Nope. Index that contain references to multiple fields within a document. I think that's about right. An index that supports queries that are run on two collections at the same time. So no, that was within the same collection. So I think that's C. Yes, that's indeed C. What did it say? A compound index, an index that contains references to multiple fields within a document. Okay. Compound indexes are created by adding a comma-separated list of fields and their corresponding sort order to their index definition. We'll see more about that in the labs, I guess. What is the recommended order of fields in a compound index? Oh yeah, so that's equality first. If you have a query, and it'll be easier if you look for exact data on the first part of the query so that it trims down the number of documents MongoDB has to go through, and then you'll have to sort and then range. It makes sense, wouldn't it? Yes. It would optimize the queries. Okay, let's see what's in store for us in the lab. Okay, so we'll be creating compound index. Got the same ideas as usual. Let's again have a look at what our data looks like. So in the accounts collection, we need to create a compound index using the account holder, balance, and account types fields. Okay, so let's do database accounts, to select collection and create index. And to create a compound index, we simply have to have a list of different fields. So account holder is the first element that we need to add. The field in index and should be sorted in ascending order. So that give it a 1. Then we'll have a balance field. So balance field again in ascending order, I think. Ascending order. Okay. And then what else do we have? And third field, the account type, which it does make sense to put at the end because there could be the same account type across different account holders. So, and this should also be sorted in ascending order. Okay, so let's see if I get this right. No. Did I do string balance? Let me have a look at not the oh yeah. So oh, see what I did? I've just I've added too many curly brackets. Keep doing that all the time. I guess I need to revise this. I need to pay more attention to that. So there will be just one object. So this one stays. Okay, so let's remove this now and keep that one. Okay, seems to be working. Let's have a look at the indexes that we've created. So they seem to have one new one. Okay, brilliant. And we'll use the explain method to check whether this works. But how should I do this? This is database accounts. I remember that we need to put the explain method and then I guess the find. But then what do I find? Balance, or should I just sort? Maybe it would be an idea. If I just sort and I use this exact query here, just remove. No, can't do that. I'm a bit confused because usually when we try and find there's something to be found, but I guess let me have a look. Create index account holder, balance account type. Okay. Okay. They're just trying to find. Okay, I'll just run this and I'll see how it goes because they've just selected a particular account holder with a particular balance. We'll see whether we've actually used the index scan and projection covered. Yes. So I think that's what we've done so far actually worked. So that's how we created the index, right? And didn't so and this is the projection. So that's the part where they wanted us to include and sort some of the information. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for following along. If you'd like to see more videos about MongoDB, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.